have a peanut allergy and I'm still able to enjoy all the wonderful and yummy treats Disney World has to offer. So I'm taking you with me today and showing you all the best tips and tricks to care for your allergy while still having fun. Let's go! With all these options, managing your allergies here at Disney World is easier than ever. From speaking to chefs, to checking allergy guides and so much more, there are many ways to enjoy your trip without letting your dietary restrictions hold you back. You're at the most magical place on earth after all, and you deserve to enjoy every minute of it. The only thing you need to worry about is conquering those heart-stopping drops at Tower of Terror. I could never. If you do, woo, go you. When I'm dining at a quick service restaurant, the biggest thing that I do is to let a cast member know about my allergy. That way they can guide me through the menu and make sure that what I'm picking or I'm looking at isn't going to contain something I'm allergic to. Now, that's one thing you can do, but something else you can do is let the cast member at the register know that you are requesting to see the ingredient binder. The ingredient binder is just a binder that includes all the dishes, what they are made of, how they are made, all that very important stuff. Once you ask to view that binder, they will be asking their supervisor to come over to you with the binder, and they then will guide you through the dishes as well. It's a great extra precaution if you just want to make sure that whatever you are ordering isn't going to mess with your allergy. I think it's a really great thing that they offer here. So don't be afraid to let the cast member know of your needs, and if you need any extra precautions, take it. Your safety is so important, and you're here to enjoy your trip. Unfortunately, while Disney tries their best to avoid cross-contamination, they do not have allergy-friendly kitchens. Therefore, it is recommended to avoid restaurants that commonly use your allergen in their dishes. Disney allows you to bring your own auto-injectors or EpiPens inside of the parks. And in case of emergency, they also offer auto-injectors inside of first aid locations, but we recommend bringing your own for your peace of mind. If you have more complex dietary needs, Disney offers additional services. If you have multiple allergies or a medical condition like diabetes or PKU, you can reach out to special.diets@disneyworld.com after booking your dining arrangements no more than 14 days prior to your visit to receive special assistance. It is also recommended that you list your allergies and intolerances in your dining reservation. The My Disney Experience app has a dedicated section where you can inform the chefs of your dietary restrictions and concerns when making your reservation, allowing them to make special preparations for your meal. Staying informed helps me feel in control of my allergy when I'm here enjoying my day at Disney World. That's why we recommend checking out some of the table service and quick service restaurant menus ahead of time on the My Disney Experience app. That way you can also pick out your item ahead of time, and it also feels like a little bit more of a stress reliever. Alright, so we have made it to our table service reservation. I'm at Tony's Town Square restaurant, and when I made my reservation through the My Disney Experience app, I actually included information that I was allergic to peanuts. Once I checked into the host table, the host also asked me about my allergy and made sure it was correct. And then, once I was sat, I was given this allergy-friendly menu. This is so cool because it actually states which dishes are good for which allergies, what is safe to eat. For instance, the Caesar salad is good for peanut/trina allergy, sesame, shellfish, and soy allergy, while the shrimp scampi is safe for egg, fish, peanut, trina, sesame, and soy allergy, not safe for shellfish. So very cool. It gives you a visual guide with everything that you need to know. And for me, I'm thinking about getting the chicken parm, and it is safe for my peanut allergy. So that is perfect. Very yummy. Very easy. I feel safer when I'm ordering through this menu than the typical menu because once again, it tells you exactly which dish is safe for which kind of allergy. I don't have to second guess myself or worry about checking specifically. It lets me know right there. I love it. Makes it effortless. And then this is the normal menu, and as you can see, it doesn't state exactly which dish is safe for which allergy. Definitely always ask for this. If they don't include it in your table, just let your servers know. They'd be more than happy to bring it over to you. And even though you might have the allergy-friendly menu, that doesn't mean that you can't ask more questions or have more guidance. You can actually ask for a special diets-trained cast member to come over and guide you through the menu, and you can ask all of your important questions there. Once again, don't be afraid to ask questions. Your safety is so important, and the cast members are more than happy to help you out with that. Alright, so I just ordered my entree, and the server once again asked about my allergy. Love that all the cast members that come serve you are aware of the allergy. since that is put into your reservation. Another reminder, when you do your reservation to the My Disney Experience app, there's actually an option that pops up that asks you about your allergy and what your allergen is. Also, if you are calling to make a table service reservation, you can let the person over the phone know about your allergy. Alright, so my meal has arrived. I got the chicken parmesan, and you may be wondering, why is there a stick poking out of the chicken? Well, that's because it's actually an allergy stick. So this lets me know that the kitchen was aware of my allergy, and whatever allergy I'm allergic to, in this case peanuts, did not touch this stick. This is a great way to know that they took care of your plates. And also, they gave me complimentary bread, and it still has a little stick. So we talked about the allergy-friendly menu as well as asking for a special diet trained cast member to speak to you. But did you know that you can also request to speak with the chef? As an extra precaution, you have that option. They can even come up with some substitutions for you. Disney is always open to giving you the best and safest experience for your dining. That was a great meal, and the best part is I wasn't worried about my allergies being neglected in any way. I just enjoyed my meal. It was delicious, but there are more tips and tricks coming up, so stay tuned. Today I am dining at BOMA over here at Animal Kingdom Lodge for the morning, having a little breakfast, and when I made my reservation on the My Disney Experience app, I made sure to include that I was allergic to peanuts. When I checked in, they asked me about my allergy, confirmed it, and once I sat down, they actually brought an allergy guide to the table. Now this is amazing. It gives you a really nice visual guide on what the dishes have, on what you can consume depending on your allergy. It is categorized by the allergy. You kind of go down the rows and you see which dish includes this little red symbol over here. That means do not consume it because it contains your allergen. The green check mark means it's all good to go. It is so great. It makes it easier, makes me feel safer when I dine, especially at buffets, because you can get a little bit overwhelmed with everything that's being offered. Hard to keep track. So if it is not available at your table once you sat down, you can always ask your server and they'll be more than happy to give it to you. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and go watch our complete guide of Magic Kingdom up on the channel right now. Bye!